How to transfer Ether Ocean over to SafePal. I want to deposit ZARs. I'm going to add funds. I'm going to deposit. So I'm going to continue. And I'm going to only put in 110 Rand because I want to test it. So continue. Put in your OTP. Yours will be different. Sending a second pin. I'm going to go back and now you have to convert it. Okay, so your money is in. Now you're going to go on this yellow logo at the top and you're going to be looking for convert. I'm going to press on more services and let's go to convert. There it is. Press there. It is from SARS. And then you're just going to go right to the bottom. Oh, the list is very long. There's OP Optimism. You're going to choose that one. I'm going to say maximum. You're going to click on maximum ZARs and you're going to say preview. And then you say confirm. And there it's completed. Now you can go transfer it to your SafePal. So let's go out of here. Back to the front page. You're going to go to assets here at the right at the bottom. Assets. And you're going to say you want to withdraw. You want to withdraw to crypto or withdraw to fiat. Which one is it that you want? You want to do the OP Optimism. You want to send it via the crypto network. And now you need your wallet address. So now you're going to go to SafePal. Choose the right wallet because it's got to be the ETH. So I'm going to take my wallet. I'm going to click on it because I want my receiving wallet address. I'm going to say receive. I'm going to copy it. Go back to Binance. Paste it. The network is definitely Optimism. It is correct. I want the maximum. And now I want to withdraw it. And I say confirm. I say yes, I fully understand. And confirm. Now it's verifying with your passkey. You put your code in. Now you can go view history. It's done. Go back to SafePal and see if it's in. Go back. And normally you have to click on it again to make sure that it comes through. Oops, it looks like I transferred the wrong OP to my SafePal from Binance. But there's no problem. Here at the bottom you see there's a word that says swap. You're going to check swap. Okay, I want to swap this one. I'm going to press on maximum. Oops, just close it. Okay, I'm going to swap the top one maximum. And I want to receive the Ethereum one. You must press maximum. And there the button is blue. And I can now say, okay, I'm sure I want to swap. I say, yes, I understand. And I proceed. And I'm going to say, just say confirm. My code. It's saying again, are you sure you want to confirm? Yes. And that means it's done. Let me see if it's there. Go to wallet. Just clicked on it to refresh it. Go back in, go in here to refresh. It's definitely gone out. Refresh it again. I suppose there's always a little bit that stays back that cannot be moved. But yeah, so I have moved it now to the right wallet.